it's important that we have a strategy for inclusion and allyship programming. So we teach a workshop at Next Pivot Point focused on 3 key elements of a strategy. So whether you have an existing strategy that you want to revamp or a new strategy you want to build, we'll meet you where you're at. And there's 3 key parts: a what, a why, and a how. We often start with the how, but what we miss in that is the context. What is our purpose? What is our goal? Why do we exist? What are we hoping for? What is our vision for the future? And then how? How will we show up? What will our strategy be to increase inclusion, to increase allyship in the organization? And how will we be able to measure the success of that strategy? So if you have yet to build the strategy or want to revamp your strategy for inclusion, we invite you to check out nextpivotpoint.com.